Hello class and welcome to week 8 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, we're going to be starting a new learning module. It is called the Criminal Justice System Learning Module, or CRJS for short. For this week, you'll be looking at the Lumen resources for Module 1, How to Write a Summary by Paraphrasing Source Material. You'll also be reading Trial by Fire by Gran. Also, What Death Penalty Opponents Don't Get by Ridgway and Casella. And you'll be viewing a video entitled We Need to Talk About an Injustice by Stevenson. Let's go to the discussion board post for Lumen. For Lumen, you'll be summarizing and paraphrasing information. So after reading and watching the videos in the Lumen lesson, How to Write a Summary by Paraphrasing Source Material, complete the following in preparation for this week's discussion. Choose one source or one chapter from the assigned reading. Summarize the author's message by paraphrasing and quoting when appropriate. Use MLA-style in-text citation for direct quotations. And please be sure to use MLA-style works cited entry for your sources. Post it on the discussion board here. Later in the week, you'll be working on the CRJS Week 1 discussion post. And it is in response to a critical analysis of Gran, Ridgway, and Casella, and Stevenson. So I'd like you to respond to the prompt in about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Please, no bullet points. So the prompt this week, Week 1 Learning Resources, had you present different perspectives on the judicial system regarding the death penalty. Choose one of the sources and summarize the author's or speaker's message by paraphrasing source material and citing the source using MLA guidelines. Then respond to the following questions about your response to the source. How did you connect to this author? How did it extend your thinking? What challenges did it present for you? How did you challenge yourself about the information? What questions do you have? What different viewpoints? What other reactions? Please respond in organized paragraphs. Please make sure to include a paraphrase or quotation using MLA-style in-text citation and your works cited page as well. And as always, please respond to at least 2 peers. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.